Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A rework soldering station is an essential tool for electronics repair, rework, and prototyping. Unlike basic soldering irons, these stations offer advanced features like temperature control, hot air rework capabilities, and precision tips to handle delicate components. They are designed to make tasks such as desoldering, reflow soldering, and component replacement easier and more efficient. Whether you're working on small circuit boards, complex electronics, or assembling intricate projects, a rework soldering station ensures higher accuracy and better results, making it an invaluable addition to any electronics workshop. These stations typically come with multiple functions, including the ability to control the airflow and temperature, which allows for a more controlled and safe soldering experience. Number 5. KSD8898 Rework Soldering Station. The KSD8898 Rework Soldering Station is a versatile and powerful tool, ideal for both professional electronics technicians and DIY enthusiasts. This station combines a hot air gun and a soldering iron in one, making it convenient for tasks that require both components. Here's a closer look at its features, strengths, and some considerations. If you're in need of a dependable and versatile soldering station, the KSD8898 is a great option. Its power, stability, and dual functionality make it a solid choice for anyone looking to handle diverse soldering and reworking tasks. Though it may require a bit of a learning curve, its performance and reliability make it a worthwhile investment. Number 4. JCD8898 Pro Rework Soldering Station. The JCD8898 Pro Rework Soldering Station is a powerful and versatile tool tailored for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who work on electronic repairs and soldering tasks. With a substantial 800W output, it can handle demanding rework jobs with ease, from surface mount device SMD repairs to more general soldering needs. The JCD8898 Pro Rework Soldering Station is a reliable and efficient choice for electronic repair tasks, especially where consistent heat and airflow are needed. While it lacks some advanced features seen in higher-end models, its powerful output and ease of use make it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists looking for a solid, mid-range soldering station. Number 3. Yarboly 8586D Rework Soldering Station. The Yarboly 8586D Rework Soldering Station is a versatile and high-powered tool ideal for electronics enthusiasts and professionals. With a robust power rating of 700W for the hot air station and 60W for the soldering iron, it offers sufficient power for a wide range of tasks, including SMD rework and PCB repairs. The Yarboly 8586D Rework Soldering Station is an excellent choice for those needing a reliable, flexible, and reasonably quiet rework station for electronics projects. Its temperature stability, low noise, and ESD-safe design make it suitable for delicate PCB work. It is well suited for hobbyists, repair technicians, and small electronics workshops looking for a versatile soldering station. Number 2. JCD8586D Rework Soldering Station. The JCD8586D Rework Soldering Station is a versatile and affordable choice for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals looking for a multifunctional soldering station. This model combines a soldering iron, hot air gun, and rework station in one compact unit, making it highly convenient for a wide range of soldering and desoldering tasks. The JCD8586D Rework Soldering Station is a cost-effective, multifunctional tool ideal for various soldering and rework tasks. Its combination of features, including adjustable temperature, rapid heating, and safety mechanisms, makes it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced users. While it may have minor limitations in terms of noise and handle comfort, Its overall performance and value for money make it a worthy investment for electronics projects. Number 1. Bakon BK602S Rework Soldering Station. The Bakon BK602S Rework Soldering Station is a robust tool designed for both professional and advanced DIY electronic repair work. With its substantial 640W maximum output power, it offers the flexibility and efficiency needed for tasks requiring precision and consistent performance. The Bakon BK602S Rework Soldering Station is a reliable and powerful choice for those engaged in electronics repair and maintenance. Its combination of strong performance, versatility, and safety features makes it a valuable addition to any serious electronics workshop. Thanks for watching this video.